everyone, welcome to The Entertaining Diva. I'm Wanda Simone. This is where we DIY elegant party decor to help you entertain in style. And today's project is this champagne glass tower. I've always wanted to make one of these, and I figured my Great Gatsby party was the perfect excuse. What with champagne and all, it should fit right in with the party theme. However, I didn't want to use real glass. I have this picture in my head of somebody bumping into the table and then getting glass and champagne everywhere and just too much of a mess. So I decided to go with the plastic champagne glasses and to actually glue them together, so we're not actually going to be serving champagne out of this, but it does make a pretty awesome looking centerpiece. So if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned for the step-by-step tutorial, or you can read all about it on the blog. I'll leave the link for that below.
For this project, all you're going to need are some plastic champagne glasses and a glue gun. First step is to put them all together. I did a 4-tier tower and it took 30 glasses. If you do a 5-tier tower, then you'll need 55 glasses. It multiplies rather quickly. And if you really want to make sure the glasses stay together, I recommend putting a drop of hot glue in the bottom. I didn't do this, but the bottoms do tend to fall off, so you have to watch for that if you don't put glue on them. To prevent getting hot glue everywhere, I like to put down a piece of craft paper first and then arrange my first layer, which is 4 champagne glasses. And we're just going to put a little bit of hot glue on the tops where they meet so that they get all joined together at the top. The bottoms won't meet, so you really can't glue them down there, but this is usually enough to hold them. Then we're going to add one more glass on the top. This is the very top layer. So I just put the glass up there and then put little dots of glue underneath where it touches the layer beneath. And then we're going to make the next lower layer, which is going to have 3 glasses on each side. And it's the same process where you just go through and add a little bit of hot glue on each side of the glass at the top and join them on to the glass that's next to it. And keep going until you've got the whole layer joined together. Then we're going to put that out of the way for a minute and start on the bottom layer, or at least what was the bottom layer for me, which is the one that has 4 glasses on each side. Exact same process, go around and glue the tops together so that the whole square is joined. As I mentioned before, I only did 4 layers, so this was my bottom layer. That's because the space on my bar where I was planning on putting this wasn't very wide. So with 4 glasses, this ended up being about 16 inches across, which is about all the space that I had. But if you have a bigger table that you're putting it on, you could go and do 5 layers or even 6, depending on how many glasses you want to use. Now we're ready to put the layers together. So I stacked the 3 glass layer on top of the 4 glass layer, and then just like I did with the smaller one, just put dabs of glue where the glasses on top meet the glasses on bottom to hold it in place. And then we're going to add the top layer that we created at the beginning the same way by adding some little dabs of glue. And here's the finished product.
Well, that's it for today. I hope you like my champagne glass tower project as much as I did. If so, hit the subscribe button to get notified when my new videos come out. Until then, I hope you have a great day and thanks for watching. Bye!